go ahead. So this is the regular chip shot then. So what are you going to do? You're going to imagine the red ball.
Red ball going straight back, straight through.
Okay.
So that's how I have to take my backswing. Because I need to go this way, not this way. I see, if I'm too inside, I see the ball shoot right towards my knee.
Right.
So I want it to be outside my knee all the time. So when you chip.
And then if you can just show your setup again, then you talked about for your flop. So
My flop, yeah. My flop, I mean, I'm obviously going to open my stance a little bit more because my face is open. So I imagine the line being not so straight, but straight kind of diagonally. And I want the ball to go that way too. I like to take it outside, so I want the ball to go that way too. I don't want it to go straight. So when I take my backswing, I open it, and I want it to go that way more. And I can just see it. And I hit it.
Very nice. Let me ask you something. One thing that I'm not a professional, you are now, but what I find, actually, I'm working on a wedge shot. You actually bring with just your regular chip shot. You see how my face is square? You bring your face back in square. What I'm finding actually is when this thing is more open for me, like I actually like coming back into the golf ball like this. I actually like that path more so than this one because I'm not playing a whole lot. I find I'm getting the tendency of actually my club flipping. How do you think that actually will affect your chip, your square, or this one?
I mean, usually when you open the face, the ball is going to score a little right.
Okay.
So that's why you see a lot of pros and just aim a little more left.
Okay.
I mean, on short shot like this, it's not going to deviate so much, but on longer shots, that's why you also open your stance to compensate that path and everything. So you just aim a little more left because you know it's going to shoot out to the right.
So you're saying that they would most likely do that on a longer or shorter shot?
Depending on the shot, but I think usually on the shorter ones that they don't have much green to work with to get the ball up in the air quicker.